In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a digital journal in Notion. We'll start simple and end with a journal system that's fast, flexible, and enjoyable to use every day. First, open a new page in Notion. Give it a clear title like Daily Journal, and add an icon and a cover to make it feel personal. A little visual identity goes a long way in motivating you to show up consistently. Next, create your journal database. Type /table to insert a table database, or /calendar if you prefer seeing entries on a calendar. A table is great for organizing details, while a calendar helps you visualize entries by date. Don't worry, you can add multiple views later and switch between them anytime, all pointing to the same database. Now, configure a few key properties. Add a date property using the date type so each entry is tied to the right day. Create a tags property using multi-select to label entries. For example, personal, work, or gratitude, which makes filtering and searching effortless. Add a mood property using select or multi-select. And feel free to use emojis to quickly capture how you feel at a glance. Let's build a reusable template so new entries are quick and consistent. Click the arrow next to the blue New button, choose New Template, and title it Daily Entry. In the body, add prompts that guide reflection, like what made me smile today. And top 3 priorities. Save the template and set it as the default for the database, so every time you create a new entry, it loads automatically. To keep momentum, set your template to repeat daily. Click the arrow next to the template in the database menu and set it to repeat every day. Notion will automatically create a blank entry for you, so journaling becomes a habit you don't have to remember. For one-click capture. Add button blocks that create a new page in your journal with pre-filled content. Try a simple new daily note button. This speeds up your routine and keeps you consistent. Create different views to suit your needs. Add a calendar view to visualize your history, and a list view sorted by date in descending order, so the newest entry is always at the top. Enhance memory capture by dragging in photos or embedding media directly into entries. Visuals add context and make past reflections more meaningful. Finally, connect your journal to other databases like a habit tracker or a task list. Using a relation property, this gives you a holistic view of your day, linking what you did, how you felt, and what mattered. Thanks for watching.